Democratic presidential candidate Bernie Sanders says he has a plan to eliminate all student loan debt in America, and he wants to make Wall Street pay for it. The Vermont senator says a tax on Wall Street would raise $2.4 trillion over 10 years, and that would wipe out $1.6 trillion in debt and make public colleges and universities tuition-free.
Bottom line is we should not be punishing people for getting a higher education. It is time to hit the reset button. Under the proposal that we introduced today, all student debt would be canceled in 6 months.
Right now, about 45 million Americans hold some type of student debt. And Sanders is not the only candidate who wants to wipe out that college debt. Here are some of the other candidates and where they stand on the issue. Wayne Messam, the former mayor of Miramar, Florida, believes if the U.S. repeals the tax cuts passed in 2017, the country could afford to cancel out all student loan debt. Elizabeth Warren proposed wiping out loan debt for anyone with a household income less than $100,000. Julian Castro wants to eliminate tuition at public universities and make it easier to repay loan debt. On the Republican side, President Trump proposed limiting student loan borrowing to force colleges to limit tuition increases or cut tuition. He also wants to simplify the student loan repayment process. And to read more about all of their different plans and to see where the other candidates stand on student debt, just go to our website, cbsboston.com. Liam?
Paula, gone.